Oh. So it's kind of a rarity that I do these types of videos where I talk about a banjo or a product, but this new compensated bridge from Patrick at Pisgah and Balsam Banjo Works I feel it's worthy of some discussion. Comes in it's nice, nifty packaging with the Ellipse branding. Thought that was pretty slick. But the bridge itself has some really unique features. In addition to being compensated, it is 3D printed out of a plant-based bioplastic that's 100% sustainable. And the geometry of the bridge has a 10-degree draft on the back, 3-degree draft on the front that will put a little bit more of the string tension towards the front feet than most compensated bridges. I think that's an interesting feature that probably does good things for the tone. Additionally, it weighs in, forget exactly, right in the 2.9 to 3.2 gram range, according to my letter scale here. It comes in handy for weighing other things outside of letters, like banjo bridges. So additional features of the bridge I find interesting. To get that optimal weight and density, it's actually hollow or has an infill that helps with the overall resonance and doesn't make it sound like you would expect a composite bridge to sound. It sounds very, very lively. And the density varies throughout the bridge. The top where the string slots are actually a much higher density than the rest of the bridge body. It helps with durability with steel strings, much like an ebony cap would function on a standard wood bridge. But in any case, I guess I'll string it up on a banjo, a couple banjos, and let you hear how it sounds. So I reckon a good format is going to be to play through on a modern banjo with a steel string setup and a antique banjo with a nylon string setup with their current bridges, and then change over to the new Pisgah Eclipse bridge. That'll kind of give you a flavor of how the banjos sound with my current preferred setup, and then how they sound with the new bridge. So this is a 11-inch Brooks Spartan all walnut with a rolled brass tone ring, goatskin head, and a probably my favorite bridge on the banjo at this time. A maple ebony topped, cheap elderly instruments bridge. Out of all the bridges I've tried recently, this is kind of my favorite wood bridge on it. Now for the changeover. We're tuned up. 10-inch HC Dobson antique banjo with a double spun over metal pot, and a coal style solid maple light bridge. Again, change over real quick. Got our setup.